Hi, this is Lucy and class for Healthy Back. Today we will exercise prone position. So let's just again adjust occipital bone to lift it. Forehead will be supported with towel, and we will go to position where pubis is on the floor, and we will bend elbows. And firstly, let's just pull one leg backwards with pelvis sticked to floor with pubis bone, and you are just prolongating one leg. Inhale, you release. Exhale, you prolongate the other one. Inhale, you release. So let's just wiggle with the pelvis. You will extend one side of the body, then the other one. Inhale and exhale. So movement in the hips, and we prolongate lower back.